gonna meet Big Brother. You're gonna meet Big Brother. You're gonna meet your big brother. Here comes Lukey. Here comes Lukey.
Bye.
Bye. My name is Elsa. Baby Devin. Baby, this. Baby Devin.
Hey,
Baby Devin.
come here. Come see her. Come here. Come over here. Come here. Who's this?
Baby Devin.
Yes. Who am I? Yeah. Hi, honey. How are you? What do you have on you?
Big brother.
Big Brother shirt?
Yeah.
Do you have a Big Brother shirt on?
Yeah.
Yes, you do.
Baby Devin.
It is Baby Devin.
Sleeping.
She is sleeping. You want to give her kisses?
Devin's awake.
You want to give her kisses?
Give her
her
kiss.
kisses. Oh.
You excited?
Hi, Baby Devin. Come over here. Talk to her. What do you think?
Yes.
Good? Is she cute?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She looks like Lukey.
Cutie.
She's a cutie?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is.
It's a blankie.
Looky.
Yeah. You'll give her another kiss? Go ahead. Right there. Oh, that's so nice. Who's it? Is this your little what? Your little sister?
Yeah, yeah.
And you're a what? You're a big...
Big brother.
You're a big brother.
Coat off.
You want to take your coat off? Okay, hang on. Daddy, help, please.
Yeah, get down for a sec.
You look so good in your shirt.
Yeah.
Yeah? Say hi, Baby Devin.
And baby. Cutie.
She's a cutie?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Cute.
She's cute? Yeah? Is she cute?
Yeah.
Yeah? You're cute too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Can I have a kissy? Mwah. Did you miss Mommy? Yeah? Are you happy Mommy's home?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you happy Baby Devin's home?
Yeah.
Yeah? Good. I missed you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can I have a hug?
Yeah.
Oh, I love you.